Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean an oiled air filter. You're going to need a few things to do the job. You're going to need something to take the air filter off. In this case, it's an 8mm socket, a air filter cleaner. That's going to take out the old oil and then also take any debris that's stuck in there off of it. And then you're also going to need an air filter oil. In this case, I have a spray can, but there's also a tube or a paste that you can just throw right on the filter itself. With that, let's jump into it. All oiled air filters are going to be a bit different to take out, but this S&B cold air intake makes it super easy to remove the filter. So now that we have the air filter out, there's a few different ways to go ahead and clean this. Generally, the best way is to use a garden hose outside, but since the water's frozen outside and it's below zero right now, I can't do that. But if you use a laundry room sink or a bathtub, that's a great alternative option when it's below zero. So in order to clean my air filter, I'm using a bathtub. Take your air filter cleaner and spray your air filter with it and get a good coverage. Then allow the filter to sit for 10 minutes, allowing time for the cleaner to loosen any dirt and debris. After the 10 minutes, you can use a low pressure water source to clean the filter, allowing water to flush through the clean side of the filter and out the dirty side. I like to use warm water for this as it helps to remove some of the debris. Obviously, if you're using a garden hose, you can use cold water, and that's okay too. Continue flushing with water until the water flowing out of the filter is clear. If your filter is super dirty, you may want to repeat these steps until the filter is totally clean. Now allow your filter to air dry, and you want it to be completely dry, as this is going to allow your filter to properly bond with the oil when you're spraying it. Now you're ready to apply your oil. I prefer the spray can for this as it allows for an even coverage and is extremely easy to apply compared to the squeeze bottle. Ensure complete coverage with a uniform reddish color. You should be spraying from about 3 inches or so away from the filter. Allow the filter to dry for about 20 minutes, touch up any areas that are light in color, and then you can wipe the filter clean and ensure there's no excess oil dripping from the filter. If there is, you can get some of this oil inside your engine as well as coat your mass airflow sensor and cause them not to work properly. Now you can reinstall your clean and freshly oiled filter. All the products used in this video will be in a link in the description down below for you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Until next time, take care.